Our Stake Pocket Winch is one of our most popular products on the market. It's the perfect portable accessory for your flatbed trailer. You can easily slide in the winch to any stake pocket on your trailer to provide a tie-down point. Our Stake Pocket Winch has a unique design that was created right here at Mighty Products. In order to keep the Stake Pocket Winch lightweight and not too bulky, we had to design it in a way where access webbing cannot be stored on the winch itself. Please note, all excess webbing on this portable winch needs to be stored outside the winch. You can secure it with our heavy-duty rubber strap bands. They are durable and have enough strength to secure these straps against debris, wind, and weather. Before you pull the strap through our pocket winch, place a rubber band through the strap for later use. Then, bring the end of your winch through the back of the Stake Pocket Winch and begin tightening. Be sure to use a winch bar during this process to get the Stake Pocket Winch as tight as possible. Finally, begin rolling your winch strap until you reach the band. These bands give you a convenient way to neatly store your excess webbing. Secure it over your excess strap and make sure it's tight enough that it will not come loose during transit. Thanks for watching, and check out the links in the description for all the products mentioned in this video. For more trucking tips, subscribe to our channel. Haul safe and earn more with Mighty Products.